Welcome back to Hike Oregon. We are on the North Shore Trail here just out by Dexter Reservoir on the other side of the dam, and we recently had a windstorm a couple nights ago, Friday night, so yeah, 3 nights ago, and it has totally damaged a lot of areas. And so the saw that you hear in the background is some crews working on clearing the roads and some of the main areas. So yeah, we are headed just a few miles to, there's an awesome boat ramp with views of Diamond Peak. And since it's a semi-clear day, we decided to do that. Since we have lunch plans, so we're not doing a huge hike. I'll show you some of the wind damage here. As you can see, like all of the trail, just lots of like debris. That's our first down tree that we've seen. But yeah, you can just see like a bunch of debris. This madrone tree is really cool. I think it's 2 separate trees, but quite large. And then the tree is very smooth. It's super pretty, and they take forever to grow. So the fact that this is so big means it's very old. So this is what a reservoir looks like when it's mostly full. There's still this exposed ground, but I mean, the bushes start right there, so you can tell it's mostly full. In the very late summer, early fall, when this is mostly empty, you can go down like, how many more feet would you say? Like 50 feet more down?
What, the bottom?
Like when it's mostly empty, like in the late summer.
The actual water level?
Yeah, at least 50 feet goes down. It's all of this like dirt stuff. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's really pretty though. And even though it's April, you can see it snowed in those hills. Like last night or the night before, I think it snowed. Okay, so the trail comes out on the road here. Apparently, because they can't build trail over that way, it's too cliffy, which sucks. So you have to walk on the road for a little bit, but then you go back in the woods. I don't know. I feel like you totally could build trail there, but it is a mountain bike trail, so it could get sketchy. And the higher the reservoir is, that could get washed away. Yeah.
Renegade Trail still kind of kicking through there, but it gets really steep. Right
It does get steep, I see that. Yep, so we're just gonna
That's just right there.
walk on the road a little bit and then go back down. Yes, this is an invasive species, Scotch broom. It's all over this area. But it blooms nice bright yellow. It's just starting to bloom right now. And this whole bush will be yellow. It's pretty, but it's very invasive. Okay, here's the trail. There's a little sign up there. If you can see, it says Eugene to Pacific Crest Trail. So you can essentially walk from here to the PCT, which I still don't really know how exactly you would do that, but there are some trails that connect. Okay, sorry about the wind, but we made it to the boat ramp. I forget the name of this park, but in the summer all this is full and busy with people coming down here to recreate and fish and put their boats in the water and stuff. So, but this time of year it's still pretty empty. We saw one guy with a boat, but that's it. So we're gonna go down here, look at the mountain, and then head back. Okay, so apparently you can't see the mountain from the boat ramp. I'm not sure why. At one point I thought you could see it, but you cannot. Okay, so it's called Signal Point Boat Ramp. And now we're gonna hustle back because we have lunch plans. And it was definitely more mileage than we thought. Thought it was gonna be like 2, maybe 2.5. We've hiked 3, so we've got to hike 3 back. We have about 45 minutes to do that. So let's see if we can. Found these cool woodpecker holes all over this tree. Isn't that neat? Like all up and down the cedar tree woodpecker. Okay guys, we made it back to the car. Not quite in our 45 minutes, but we did 5.7 miles in 2 hours and 26 minutes. So that's pretty good. Hustled there at the end. And yeah, it was a great little morning hike, and I highly recommend it, especially in spring when all the flowers are blooming. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next adventure. Okay, bye. Hey guys, this is about, a good 6 weeks after the other portion of this trail. Let's see, how long was Easter ago? Easter was when I did the other section, so we're gonna fast forward in time, and we are now hiking the last section of the North Shore Trail. And it's very beautiful out today. And yeah, we're gonna hike a little bit, not sure the mileage. We're just out for a stroll. Just gonna go do it, and I'll catch you on the trail. Okay guys, question of the day is, in the summer when you wear tank tops like so, and sweat doesn't absorb into your shirt, it goes into your backpack strap. Your backpack tends to stink pretty fast. Like within 2 or 3 hikes, you gotta wash your backpack. So, question is, how do you deal with that? Do you put your backpack in the wash? Or do you just clean the straps off? Or what do you do to combat this issue? Or do you just let it stink? I don't know. Personally, I can't handle that smell, so I tend to wash my backpack, but this day pack is really annoying to wash because it has a frame inside that is really hard to get back in. So I don't actually like to wash it because it's a big pain. So that is what I want to know from you guys. so that maybe I can do something else. Okay, so I'm going to show you how high so this is a part of a reservoir. Got to show you how high the water is. Well, you probably saw in the other clip from April how far down we went, and now there's trees in the water. Do you see those trees way over there? Yeah, those are in the water. Those are probably 8 feet tall trees over there, and they're all in the water. So crazy. It's just this little tiny bit of land before the trail. Crazy. All that snow melting. It's melting like 2 inches a day. Okay, so we came to this area called Ivan Oaks. And there's like a campground. Or is it day use? I'm not really sure. I think it's a campground, yeah.
You're in the parking spot and your tent flat right there.
Interesting. Why would you camp so close to town? I don't know. This is very interesting. Anyway, the trail kind of dead-ended us into this area here. So we're just kind of checking it out because we haven't gone very far. 1.3. So that's definitely not as far as I thought. But it's sometimes hard to gauge on the map, so. I mean, these are nice camp spots. There's a hole in the tree. It looks like someone's home. And then there's a lot of other ones. Here's another apartment. A bird apartment. We were just talking about apartments. This one has sap in it. Not even filming, I'm just looking. I don't know. It's very interesting, but you can tell something ate the inside out.
Yeah, because there's like tree shavings in there and stuff, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we are finished. Just did a little 3.5 mile stroll. Oh, it's like bright, I'm squinty. Now we are back at the boat ramp. Let me show you that. It's very pretty with that lighting on the hills there. The birds are singing. There's a train over there. Yeah, it was nice. Saw lots of flowers. It was nice to get my legs moving after work, since it is a work day. I will catch you on the next adventure. Okay, bye.